Hi, let me show you how to change Siri's name on iPhone. For that, we need to go ahead and open Settings. Now scroll a bit down, choose Siri, then talk to Siri, and make sure that it is turned on, so you selected one of those two options. And also enable the press side button for Siri. Now to rename it, we can set custom phrase or just create new name for Siri with the help of which we gonna trigger her. So find accessibility settings and now just find speech category in the list and then select vocal shortcuts. Here we need to set up vocal shortcuts and basically you will choose an action and record a phrase in order to teach your iPhone to recognize your voice. So just scroll through the list and of course pick Siri. Now we can rename it here by entering new name, or you can set custom phrase to trigger Siri. So let me just select, for example, this one and tap go. So now we need to say allow this. So I'm gonna just do it again inside iOS. Inside iOS. Inside iOS. And now this action is ready, so we can try this out. Inside iOS. And yep, Siri is working. We can ask her to set a timer for 3 minutes or something else. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.